Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language setting on your DeepSeek AI application using your mobile device. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. First of all, open your DeepSeek application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page of DeepSeek AI, go ahead and tap on the two lines at the top left corner, and this will open up the expanded menu. Go to the bottom of the expanded pop-up and tap the three dots right next to your email. This will open up the settings menu. Tap on language, and then this will redirect you to your device's language setting where you need to tap language again and select a different language from the list. After you do that, you will then be able to change your language on DeepSeek. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DeepSeek AI tips. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.